This video will outline how to covertly install a fleet-complete fleet tracker into a light-duty vehicle using the OBD2 and Y cables. Open the driver's underdash cover beneath the steering wheel and unplug the vehicle's OBD cable from its opening in the panel. Install the modem. Avoid breakage or poor data transmission by securing the device to a steady part or panel beneath the steering wheel. To avoid excessive loose cables, bind the cables with the zip ties and store them in the panel above the gauge cluster. Connect the power cable to the modem. Plug the modem's power cable to the OBD connector on the Y cable. Feed the empty OBD connector into the proper opening on the underdash panel. Bind and hide all loose cables. Verify if the modem is reporting properly by logging into the Fleet Complete application. Update the asset details with VIN, odometer reading, and other additional information for identification purposes. If the device is not reporting properly or giving you an LED trouble code, contact Fleet Complete support at 1-800-220-0779.